December, a time for celebration, for family, and for many parts of the world, a critical period for gardens. As the year draws to a close, gardeners know that the work is far from over. From vineyards in France to orchards in Japan, December demands attention. In colder climates, December is a time to protect vulnerable plants from frost. In warmer regions, December might be the start of the growing season, where careful planning and planting are essential. But the world is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming the way we garden, offering innovative solutions to age-old problems. From monitoring soil conditions to predicting weather patterns, AI is empowering gardeners around the world with the tools they need to thrive. The vineyard, a timeless landscape of rows upon rows of grapevines, is steeped in tradition. For centuries, the art of pruning has been passed down through generations. Now, AI is stepping into the vineyard not to replace the human touch, but to enhance it. Using sensors and machine learning, AI can identify the optimal points to prune each vine. Precision pruning leads to higher yields, improved fruit quality, and reduced labor costs. AI offers a sustainable solution, helping vineyards produce more with less. Section 3: Orchards of the Future: AI-powered management for quality and efficiency. Managing vast orchards, ensuring the health of each tree and maximizing yield is a complex task. AI is proving to be an invaluable tool. Drones with multispectral cameras can identify stressed trees long before visible symptoms appear. Robotic arms can now identify ripe fruit and pick it with incredible precision, reducing waste. This is particularly beneficial for delicate fruits like strawberries and raspberries. Section 4: The Intelligent Vegetable Garden: Planning, Preparation, and AI-Powered Growth. Imagine a garden that practically takes care of itself. Smart sensors embedded in the soil can measure moisture levels, nutrient content, and pH. This system can then automatically adjust irrigation and fertilization schedules. AI can also help gardeners plan their gardens more effectively. By analyzing historical weather data, AI algorithms can recommend the best crops to plant. Section 5: Protecting Winter's Beauty: AI, Safeguarding Ornamental Gardens. Ornamental gardens are a source of joy and tranquility throughout the year. AI is stepping in to provide a helping hand, safeguarding these gardens. Smart irrigation systems can automatically adjust watering schedules to prevent frost damage. AI-powered weather forecasting systems can provide early warnings of extreme cold events. With AI's help, ornamental gardens can withstand the challenges of winter. For those eager to delve deeper into this exciting world of AI-powered gardening, I encourage you to explore the AET AI Academy. Their resources and courses provide a fantastic starting point for anyone interested in learning more about how AI is shaping the future of gardening.